Tired of endless scrolling and channel surfing? Today we're going to settle the streaming showdown between Hulu Plus Live TV and Peacock, helping you decide which service deserves your hard-earned dollars. First, let's talk channels. Hulu Plus Live TV boasts a wider selection, including local channels and a comprehensive sports lineup with ESPN and more. Peacock, while having fewer channels, focuses on universal networks like Bravo, MSNBC, and exclusive sports content like Premier League and WWE. Local channels and a broader sports selection are key, Hulu Plus Live TV takes the lead. Next, the inevitable pricing. Hulu Plus Live TV starts higher but bundles live TV with Disney and ESPN. Peacock offers multiple tiers, including a free, ad-supported option and a premium plan that unlocks more content and fewer ads. Consider your budget and desired content bundle to determine which offers the better value. Now, let's dive into on-demand content. Hulu shines with its extensive library of hit shows like Only Murders in the Building and a robust selection of movies. Peacock counters with originals like Poker Face, the entire Harry Potter film series, and a treasure trove of NBC classics. Your viewing preferences will dictate the winner here. What about those extra features? Hulu Plus Live TV offers unlimited DVR storage and multiple simultaneous streams, perfect for larger households. Peacock has unique features like interactive content during live events and curated channels for specific interests. In conclusion, Hulu Plus Live TV is your best bet if you crave a wider channel selection, local channels, and a bundled entertainment package. Peacock shines with its affordable tiers, exclusive universal content, and unique interactive features. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. Let us know in the comments which service you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming comparisons.